Yeah!
We're going to start by drawing a big oval in the middle of your paper. This will be your monkey's body. Then, inside the oval, draw a big bubble letter T toward the top. This is where we will draw our monkey's face later on. That's a great start. Now we have the outline of our monkey's body and face. Now we need to add the stomach. For this, just draw a circle inside the oval toward the bottom. Inside that circle, draw another tiny oval. This is the belly button. And we can't forget the ears. The ears go outside the big oval we drew at the start. Add a big semicircle toward the top on each side. Great. Now add a smaller semicircle inside. Your monkey now has 2 big ears and can hear if someone is coming to visit. Finally, we need to add some hair. The hair will go on the outside of the big oval, between the right ear and the top of the head. Draw 2 small lines, like a V, coming out from the head, and then one longer line in the middle of the V. Now our monkey has some hair to scratch. Amazing work! Now it's time to give our monkey a face so they can see us properly. Let's head back to the T shape inside our oval. Starting with the eyes, draw 2 circles, one right next to the other, like this. Now they can see us. To create your monkey's nose, draw 2 smaller circles a little further down the T shape, like this. Now your monkey can sniff out food in the jungle. All we need to do now is give them a mouth so they can eat all those bananas. Let's draw a rounded triangle shape a little further down like this. Then draw a smaller triangle inside. That's your monkey's tongue. Monkeys need their legs to help them climb trees and reach those bananas. Let's give them some. Add 2 long rectangle shapes along the bottom of the monkey's body. 1, 2. Next, add their feet and give them 3 toes on each foot, like this. Looking good. We better hurry because our monkey could run off at any minute now. Our monkey is starting to take shape, but monkeys need their long arms and tail to travel from one tree to another. Let's start with the tail. On the right-hand side of the body, at the same height as the stomach, add a long, curved shape that goes up toward the ear. This will give our monkey extra balance when they swing from tree to tree. And finally, it's time to draw our monkey's arms. On the left side of the body, draw a semicircle shape that reaches up towards its head, like this. The monkey's right arm should hang towards the floor like this. Now that our monkey is complete, it's time to bring it to life with color. You can follow our suggestions or get creative and choose your own. The more colorful, the better. For our monkey, we'll be using dark brown, black, pink, and red. Use your pink pencil or crayon to color the monkey's stomach, face, inner ears, and feet. Use your dark brown color or pencil for the monkey's body, legs, arms, outer ears, and tail. Use black to color in his eyes, nose, mouth, and the belly button. Use your red crayon to color the monkey's tongue. Amazing, kids! Your monkey is ready for action. Parents, your child did great. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us. See you next time. More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels.